Hey, how's it going? My name is Jadine.
And I'm Julian.
And welcome to Cocktail Hammer.
So today we're going to be making the Negroni. All right, it's super simple. So we don't need the shaker. All the tools you need is the jigger and a mixing spoon. So I'll run you through it and I'll let you know exactly what you have to do. So
I'm making it. I thought you were gonna
no, you gotta make it. So put one ice cube in each glass.
All right. So 1 and
2. Perfect. All right. The second thing we're gonna need is the Campari. So bring that right here.
I love Campari so much. It smells like candy.
Oh yeah. We're gonna put 1 ounce, and you want that filled as much to the top as possible.
So there's just 1 and 1 and 1.
Well, yeah. That's the beauty of it. One of the reasons we love the Negroni and the Boulevardier is because they're called 1-in-1 cocktails. That means that all portions added are exactly the same. That makes it one of the simplest and easiest to remember. So the next thing we're going to want to make is the sweet vermouth. All right, so you can use Dolan sweet vermouth or Martini and Rosé. In our case, we're going to use the Martini and Rosé sweet vermouth.
There's another sweet vermouth that I used to use. Is this it?
The Dolan, yeah.
The Dolan, yeah. I use this one. I like this one a lot. I've never actually had this one or tried to make anything with it, but I like this one. So vermouth, right? It goes bad if you leave it out. It goes bad quickly.
Yeah, so once you open vermouth, it's really important to know that it expires approximately after 3 months or so.
So is that the same for sweet vermouth or just any vermouth?
No, yeah, that's the same for sweet vermouth.
Okay, so this is definitely, it's smelling, but it smells different.
Yeah, it's gonna smell like off wine. If you've ever had wine sitting after it's been open for a while, and I know some of you guys have had some dry vermouth on your counter for over 3 months, probably a year. Throw that out. That's not good. All right, don't make a Manhattan.
You know that it's like olive oil. Everyone just keeps olive oil in their counter, and olive oil actually expires, and people don't know that.
Yeah. So I'll let you pour 1 ounce into your jigger. If you ever read David Arnold's Liquid Intelligence, one of the beauties of stirring inside the glass with 1 ice cube is that it actually doesn't start activating, the temperature doesn't actually start getting the glass cold until you stir it. It won't do much if it's just sitting in your glass. So getting it right in the glass I'll let you handle that one.
All right.
Getting it right in the glass is one of those things where it's super fun and you can actually feel the temperature changing as you hold on to the glass. Quick note, the process of ice melting from the warming of your hands is called thermal lag.
Now, we didn't put the gin in yet.
Nope, not the gin, yeah. You want the spirit usually to go last. So for the Negroni, you're gonna want gin.
No, I remember hearing about this because if you put it first, it'll start diluting before you can start experiencing it.
Yeah, exactly, yeah. So we have Gordon's. It's pretty standard gin. Yep, Gordon's pretty standard stuff. So let's check it out.
And it's cheap, man. It's inexpensive, rather. It tastes fine to me, but it's really inexpensive for that big bottle.
Yeah, good bang for your buck. All right.
I thought I was gonna do it.
Oh no, man. This is a delicate operation. All right. So let the professionals handle it.
But now, should I stir it again or?
Yeah, definitely stir it again. Get all those flavors mixed.
All right.
Now you'll notice that if you're not used to it, stirring is actually
not as easy
as it looks. No, especially some bartenders like to stir with both hands. Now we're gonna garnish with an orange slice. Okay.
As soon as we get a knife.
So
I'll go get it. That's staying in the video.
Cool. Now that we have our knives, you're in. Cut 1 slice from the orange, approximately the size of maybe your thumb.
Now, some people use a peeler. Why would I not use a peeler instead? Why am I using a knife?
Because of the knife, you have more mobility. You're able to make lemon twists.
Yeah, this is fun.
You can even see when you're cutting the coin off of the orange, a little spritz start coming out.
The oils?
Yeah, the oils. Yeah, you want those essential oils in your Negroni. Okay, so check this out. What you're gonna want to do.
I'll cut the other one while you do that.
Oh no, yeah, for sure. So you're gonna want a little spritz.
Around and around.
Oh yeah, and then you could just drop that in if you're a Neanderthal like I am.
Okay.
All right, now twist that over get all those essential oils. Oh, cool, yeah, you can even see it. And
twist it round and round.
Yeah.
Get it in, get it out.
and you can
And
drop
be a
that rating.
Neanderthal.
Oh, perfect. Enjoy. Now, if you like that, guys, remember to like, share, and subscribe. All right, hit that like button, and stay tuned for more videos from Cocktail Hammer.
Word. God damn it! I fucking love Campari so much, man. I haven't had
good,
Campari
right?
in a while. Oh, it's so good.
You know, I was thinking what we should have done is I should have made a Negroni, and then I could have made you a Boulevardier because they're the exact same. So
And
now
then
we're
a
gonna-
taste test.
Yeah, so now we're gonna take
Some other time.
we're gonna take it from the top.